Folks, Russell Conte here with the Soapbox. Today I want to show you how to make a perfect buttonhole in your baby lock sewing machine. Really straightforward and very easy. Buttonhole foot, we're going to open that little gauge in the back, place the button in there, clamp it down for perfect size buttonholes every time. Mount it to the machine just like we would any other foot. And then there's a little gauge right here, a little latch that's going to come down, placed right behind there. Trick, tearaway stabilizer. Makes for perfect buttonholes every time, and we're ready to go. Starts at the front, moves to the back. Going to bar tack across the front again. Move to the back on the other side for perfect beads in both the same direction, both sides. And a bar tack. You've got a scissor cut function on your machine. Use that now. It'll cut the threads for you and bring the foot up. That's all there is to it. Now that you've made that perfect buttonhole, how do you open it up? With a seam ripper? Never a great choice. A buttonhole chisel. Clover makes a great one. It comes with a little block here, some fray check. It's a fabric glue that seals the edges on the edge of the buttonhole. It's really cool. Place that right down a bead at the center there, on the front and the back. Be careful, it can discolor your fabric, it says. In the 30 years I've used it, I've never had that happen. But do be mindful. Once you've done that, place the block underneath, take your chisel, start at one end and rock towards center. Once you've done that, rock towards the end. Real clean, very nice button. Opening, and then check your buttonhole for fit. It should just fit through there snugly without creating distortion on the buttonhole. Perfect. Hope you have a great day sewing. We'll talk soon.